Hi Rita. How's that book?
Well, I haven't got very much read since I've been here.
Okay, we got a little rainstorm here in Lake Powell. Little thunder, a little bit of lightning. It's Friday, 30% chance today, so kind of cool. We're getting that out of the way, getting a little dust control on our bolo ball pit over here, which is good. That's beneficial for horseshoes and bolo ball. No, I know it. It's good. Oh, look at that. Nice. And twice now we've had to send a diver down to get balls out of our 60, 100-foot deep fishing hole here with an electric diving scooter. But so far we currently have all our balls back, so that's kind of good. So Face Canyon. And that was our guys trip beach last year. Water's about 10 feet higher. And I never put my top up today, so boat's getting wet, but that's okay.